everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I have the finale of this round of hashtag beauty chest. I completely missed that last video that today was going to be the finale, but here we are. This is going to be the last video for round 3, and I also realized that my description box wasn't complete. Like, I missed half of the prompts that are in this project since like the January update. I'm so sorry about that, but I will fix it. So hopefully if you look in the description right now, it's all fixed. All of the prompts are in the description. So hashtag beauty chest was created by Jessica. I have her link down below. She's on YouTube as Makeup Misfit, and I've been doing this for 3 rounds with her. I just love this project. I know that I'm not very good at prompt-based projects because I feel like I don't have enough items to like rotate through. I don't have like 20 blushes and 30 highlighters and 50 lipsticks. I do have a lot of eyeshadows, and so I was thinking that for the next round I want to switch things up, and I'm gonna try and focus on everything but eyeshadows. And then for the Alice in Wonderland project, which I'm late to start, but I am gonna start, I'm gonna do just eyeshadows. I think that would be a good idea. And I think also this one, so hashtag beauty chest, will be focused more on just getting a few uses instead of like big numbers. So kind of like a project 5 to 10 uses, but with prompts so that it's more interesting. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I have about a month before I have to film that update, that intro. So anyway, we're gonna look at everything that I was still working on. And then that is the finale. Let's see, we'll start with the item that has been in the longest, and that was for the prompt, new collection, never/least used. And I rolled in all of my NYX butter glosses. So I have 6 of them. I got them in a set of last Christmas. It was a Home Alone collaboration, and I love Home Alone. I really do love Christmas. And I was excited to try the NYX butter glosses because I had heard good things about them. So I wanted to do 10 uses on these glosses, and I had 3 that I still didn't use, I believe. I think it was these 3. I don't even really know, but completed that goal of using the ones that I hadn't used yet. And then I also completed my 10 uses. I actually am wearing one today. I think this one is pretty much my favorite. This is the shade Hustler. This is a butter gloss bling, so it has shimmer in it, and that is what is on my lips today. And I have it over a dark red lip stain. So on its own, it has a slight dark brown base, but it's not like too dark, and it's just shimmery. But I also love it over this. Thought, you know what, let's switch it up. I love my shimmers, so there's that. So I completed my 10 uses on these. I love these, honestly. They're all amazing, so love them. I also did a color story for brand collabs, create a color story, and I used 6 shadows from Glam Shop. This is my color story. I think I used all of them. I don't really know if I used these 2 because the names that are on these are the Polish names, and I have the English names in my spreadsheet, so I couldn't really figure out if I had used them, but I'm pretty sure I did. I did a look with like this row, and then this morning I used this in my crease and this in my inner corner, and this I've used on my lid before. So My goal was to do No Pan Left Behind, so I think I did that. And then this is a prompt that wasn't a success. I think I said that in the last video that I was unsure if it was going to be successful. I rolled this in for Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, most affordable, and I rolled in a lip liner. This is an Essence lip liner. I wanted to do 10 uses on this. I put it in my bag. I was like, I can use it when I'm at the office. It just disappeared to the bottom of my bag and I just now got it out. So 0 uses on this. I don't use lip liners. I don't know why I have this still. End of year declutter, anyone? Yeah. So that is all. I only had 3 prompts left. That's the fun of this project. You don't know what to expect. I've had a lot of times where I've rolled a prompt where I had to pick 3 items to work on, or add prompts, or take prompts out. So it's a fun project. Again, I think I will do like lesser uses goals for the next round, and then use the Alice in Wonderland project for eyeshadows. But I still have to film that intro as well, and I'm behind on that. So who knows? This will be all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will hopefully see you in one of my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.